What is light pollution? Light pollution is the overuse and misuse of artificial light at night. I often make the point that light at night, artificial light at night, electric light is not a bad thing in and of itself. It's just how we use it. We tend to use way more of it than we need, and we tend to use it in ways that don't really make sense. They're not that thoughtful, and so the end result of that is this thing we call light pollution. Two real common aspects of light pollution would be sky glow, which is that sort of orange-pink glow over a city at night, lighting up the clouds. Glare, bright lights that are shining into your eyes, shining into your bedroom, into your car at night when you're driving. And then something we call light trespass, which is, as the name suggests, light that's trespassing from one property onto another. And I very quickly realized that I couldn't see all the constellations that my books were telling me I should be able to see. And from there, I began to learn about all the other costs of light pollution, the health, human health, environmental health, all the money we're wasting with trying to light up the sky. So, losing the night sky is incredibly important. We've taken what was one of the most common human experiences, which is coming out at night and coming face to face with the universe, and made it one of the most rare of human experiences. But it is only one of the costs of light pollution. There are many.
But it's also one of these issues that our light fixtures in much of America is old, is antiquated. And as a country, as a society, we're going to have to invest in fixing and replacing a lot of these light fixtures. So let's do it intelligently. Let's do it responsibly. At a time when we have city budgets dwindling, this is one of those kind of investments that we can make that pays for itself several fold over by making smart choices about light. Now, above and beyond, the impact to nature, above and beyond the impact to us and the links to cancer that our scientists are now finding, above and beyond the enormous waste of resources and energy that it represents, I think we lose something when, as Paul said, you can't go out anymore and look up and then ask, how do we fit into that grand picture? I like to think that, from the first moment we walked out of the cave, that's the first thing we did on the night sky, is look up, look at those starry night sky, and ask, are we alone? Is there something else going on? And if that disappears, do those questions stop? Does that science stop? You can almost trace every science that every culture has started by seeking that answer to that question. Are we alone? And how do you explain what's up there?
I think there are solutions at every level. I think that's one of the things I love about working with this issue, is that we can readily address and control light pollution. It starts at the individual level, where if you're a homeowner, you can turn your lights off at night, you can turn your lights down at night, you can use fixtures that direct light only downward.
I think one of the biggest fallacies that we've uncovered as we've been planning this workshop is that more light equals safety. And we need to break that idea. More light does not equal safety. Intelligent use of light allows for grounds to be safe. And so we need to demonstrate that.
Oftentimes students say to me, well, what can I do? What can one person do? These problems are so big. And with light pollution, you can join in tonight and start helping us toward a solution.
It's recognizing that we can have an impact at the city level, at the school level, and that this can then get multiplied many times over in the United States and the rest of the world.